Portuguese Navy just launched its first drone carrier, NRP D João II. The new warship is smaller but very smart. It is 107.6 meters long, weighs 7,000 tons, and 94 meters flight deck. Built by Dutch company Damen for €132 million. Sea trials start later in 2026, and it should join the fleet in 2027. This is Europe's first purpose-built drone carrier. It is not just for war, it does many jobs: ocean research, watching the Atlantic, environmental checks, and emergency help. Its 94-meter flight deck holds unmanned aerial vehicles and helicopters. There are 2 hangars, one for helicopters and one for drones with a workshop. A catapult helps small drones take off fast. At the back, a ramp lowers unmanned surface boats and underwater robots into the sea. The ship has labs for scientists and space for 42 extra experts. In a crisis, it can carry up to 300 people and even act as a small hospital. With a top speed of 15 knots, it is perfect for Portugal's long coastline and Atlantic duties. This ship makes Portugal the newest member of an exciting group. Iran, Italy, China, and Turkey already have ships that launch and land drones at sea. These drone carriers are changing how navies fight and explore the oceans. They are cheaper and smarter than old-style aircraft carriers. Drones can spy, attack, or help with rescue without risking pilots. Turkey was the first in the club. Its ship, TCG Anadolu, entered service in 2023. Iran joined next with a clever trick. They took a big container ship called Pararin and turned it into the Shahid Bagheri between 2022 and 2024. The ship is massive, 241 meters long and weighs nearly 42,000 tons. It looks like a small aircraft carrier from World War II. Workers added an angled flight deck and a ski jump ramp. This lets fixed-wing drones take off and land easily. The ship carries many types of drones, such as the Mohajer 6 for spying and attacking, Ababil 3, and stealthy JAS-313. It also has room for helicopters. Iran used it to patrol far oceans for up to 1,000 days. It had missiles for defense and even a hospital on board. Sadly, the ship was sunk in early 2026 during conflict. But it proved Iran could build drone power fast and on a budget. TCG Anadolu entered service in 2023. It is big, 232 meters long and weighs about 27,000 tons. The deck is huge, like a floating airport. Turkey designed it as an amphibious assault ship, but turned it into the world's first real drone carrier. It can hold 30 to 50 armed drones plus helicopters. The favorite is the Bayraktar TB3. This drone takes off from a ski jump ramp at the front, flies long missions, and lands back on the ship. No wires or hooks needed. The Anadolu also carries tanks, troops, and landing boats. It can sail far, 9,000 nautical miles, and stay at sea for 50 days. Turkey showed the world how drones make a navy stronger and cheaper. China is moving fastest of all. In late 2024, China launched the Type-076 ship named Sichuan. This giant is around 50,000 tons. It works as both a drone carrier and an amphibious assault ship. The Sichuan can carry many big attack drones like the stealthy GJ-11. It also launches helicopters and landing craft for troops. China tested another research ship called Zhuhai Yun in 2022. That one carries ocean drones for science. Together, these ships help China watch huge areas of sea and launch hundreds of drones at once. They show China's plan for cheap, high-tech naval power. Italy joined without building a whole new ship. They announced big plans to fly the Bayraktar TB3 drone from its deck. Italy is working with Turkey's maker to build these drones right in Italy. The TB3 can spy, carry small weapons, and stay in the air for many hours. Italy's other big ship, Trieste, may also get drones soon. This smart move lets Italy join the club quickly and cheaply. It mixes manned jets with unmanned drones for stronger patrols in the Mediterranean and beyond. Drone carriers are the future. Traditional aircraft carriers cost billions and need many crew. Drone ships are smaller, cheaper, and can do more jobs. They let small navies like Portugal punch above their weight. They also help with science, rescue, and keeping oceans safe. As drones get smarter, these ships will watch farther, strike faster, and work together in swarms. Portugal's D João II shows the world that any navy can join the club. From Turkey's Anadolu to China's Sichuan, these ships prove drones are changing the sea. The age of the drone carrier has begun, and it is only getting bigger.